Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Subal Chandra Das, Assistant Professor. Today I will show you and tell you some facts about the jackfruit as well as the nutritional values and benefits from the jackfruits. The scientific name of jackfruit is Artocarpus heterophyllus. Little difficult name. The jackfruit is also known as the jack tree, and it is a species of tree in the fig, mulberry and the breadfruits family. Now let me tell you the nutritional value as well as the benefits of jackfruits. First of all, the jackfruit is most powerful cancer killer fruits and also getting very high amount of magnesium, which is need every day in human body. It is also powerful aid to fight against the bone loss and the osteoporosis, and no doubt the cause of risks of heart diseases. And it is great for your vision also, because it is rich in vitamin A also. It can help your eyes young and keep your eyes healthy. Jackfruit also provide vitamin A, and vitamin A is also restorative the skin. It is very good for the skin also, and glowing complexion, and improve antioxidant power. This is very important. And it is also provide energy. It is a good source of energy giving. This jackfruit is also decrease the high blood pressure, and it is also improve the digestion. It is very good. Jackfruit is very good to improve the digestion and get rid of the concept of getting lots of fiber. So it is the good source of fiber also. And moreover, the jackfruit is used as a medicine in Indonesia and some other countries. So overall, jackfruit is really a very good nutritional values and good benefits. I request everyone to, at least in the season, you must have these jackfruits. But one thing, jackfruit has less calories. I want to tell you some more facts about the jackfruit. The complete jackfruit tree is usable, from the roots, from the fruits, from the leaves. Everything is useful. If you see the production, abundant number of production during this season, and it is also known as the largest tree fruits in the world. The size, color, shape, and the taste may be varied the location to location. It depends on the many factors like area, environment, soil quality, and many others more. You can see how the production here, lots of jackfruits in one place. Wow. The maximum size can reach is around 30 to 40 kg in one piece. Fruits are found very hard and soft, and both form offer the different benefits. Lots of seeds also to ensure for rapid production, and can eatable raw as well as the cooked. The jackfruit is also popular in Brazil and Suriname also. Jackfruit is cultivated and adopted to the humid tropical and the near tropical climates. Thank you guys for the watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for watching more knowledgeable videos. Thank you guys.